Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. Today I'll be picking the winner of this FPV Source 5-inch quad giveaway that's been running for about a week. Now this is going to make a great early Christmas present for someone. Whoever wins this will get the quad already test flown, complete with props and an XM Plus receiver. So all you'll need is a Taranis transmitter, some LiPo batteries, some FPV goggles and you'll be good to go. So let's choose a winner at random using the random comment picker. So here we go. Random. And the winner is Harry FPV. Well done, Harry. Let's just quickly check that he is subscribed. And I saw my face whiz past. Yep, there I am. Excellent. So to claim this giveaway, all you need to do is email me on giveaway@whirlybloke.co.uk and I'll leave that email in the description. And I'll get your details and ship this fantastic quad out to you. And a big shout out and thanks to Unmanned Tech for supplying this kit for review and for the giveaway. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found that useful, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if it's your first visit, then please consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video. I'll see you next time.